See my crooked gate? Cows stick their heads under. The straw still has some wheat berries on it, so they need to eat everything in sight. So they've destroyed my corral gates, which I thought would be okay. So I'm going to try and run some ratchet straps, straighten it back out so that it works better. Let's see how it goes. Well, at least that moves a little better. But typical metal, we're going to have to go farther than we want in order to get it to stay, because you know, you get it here and then it'll spring back a little. So you got to go beyond. If it stays anywhere close, that'll be awesome. Let's see what happens. Well, that's better. Definitely better. All right, let's see what happens, I guess. Still got some kitty wampus to it at the bottom, but the pin goes in and out now, so yay, we'll call that a win. Thanks for watching.